Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain what is erectile dysfunction, what are the causes, and how can you treat erectile dysfunction. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So first of all, what is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction is inability to maintain an erection. So that inability to maintain an erection. So there are different erectile dysfunction. Now it is most common among men, very common among men. So in this video, I'm going to explain what are the causes and how can you treat. So from the causes, you can know how can you treat the condition. So the first cause is we have cardiovascular causes or cardiovascular diseases. For a patient having atherosclerosis, in atherosclerosis there will be compromising of blood supply to the arteries to the penis. So if there's blockage, even the person will have erection problems. So among the cause of erectile dysfunction is cardiovascular causes, for example, patient having atherosclerosis. Also, another cause of erectile dysfunction is people who are smoking cigarettes. So, smoking cigarettes, alcohol use has been research have been done. They have shown that chronic alcohol use and chronic smoking cigarette can cause AD. So, for those people who are smoking cigarette or for people who are drinking alcohol chronic, they need to stop drinking alcohol so much to prevent erectile dysfunction. In short form, it is called AD. Okay, another cause of erectile dysfunction, we have neurological causes or neurological disorders. Neurological disorders, for example, Parkinsonism can cause AD, which is erectile dysfunction. We have multiple sclerosis, also can cause erectile dysfunction. Also, stroke can also cause erectile dysfunction. Another cause of erectile dysfunction is mental causes. When we talk about mental causes, we mean anxiety, depression. All this anxiety, depression, they can lead to erectile dysfunction. So as we go in the line of the causes, it will be very easy when we'll be talking about how can you treat or how can you avoid yourself from getting erectile dysfunction, which is normally common now in men. Okay, another cause of erectile dysfunction, we have medications. We have some side effect of medication. We have some antihypertensive medications, also have so many medications which their side effect, it is causing erectile dysfunction. Some medication, they cause loss of libido. So some of the patients, when given those medications, they may not use because they see that the side effects. So if you are given a certain medication by a doctor and you see you are getting erectile dysfunction, you need to go to the doctor. Don't just stop it abruptly. You need to go to the doctor and say that I've been given this medication and this is side effects. So they may change for you. You go to a suitable drug which prevent that side effect. So if you're giving a drug to the doctor, don't just stop it abruptly. You need to go to the hospital so that they can change and give you a good drug. So these are some of the causes of erectile dysfunction. But also there's another cause of erectile dysfunction which there are some studies they prove it, some studies they don't prove it. Masturbation can also lead to erectile dysfunction, although there are some of the researchers they say that it does not cause erectile dysfunction. So that's why I kept this point on below the list. So it can also cause. So as you have seen all these causes or all these risk factors of erectile dysfunction, so now it will be very easy. We are going to go how to prevent erectile dysfunction and how can you treat. So the first treatment of erectile dysfunction is medications. So medication which we normally use sildenafil, which in the common drug we call it Viagra. So for a patient having erectile dysfunction, when you take Viagra, it will also increase your performance. So this is among the medication or the treatment of erectile dysfunction, which is using Viagra, which is sildenafil. Another reason or another way of treating or preventing erectile dysfunction is, we said that you need to quit smoking cigarettes and avoid chronic alcoholism, since we have seen that those are the things which they can lead to erectile dysfunction. So if you're smoking cigarettes, stop smoking cigarettes. Also stop chronic alcohol use. Chronic alcohol use, chronic smoking cigarette, there are many health disadvantages. Among the disadvantage of smoking cigarettes and alcohol use is lead to erectile dysfunction, and which it is very bad to men. So you need to avoid that. There's another management or treatment of erectile dysfunction is surgeries. Now this surgery they come when the patient is having when the cause of erectile dysfunction is diseases, for example atherosclerosis. So patient they need to go to the surgeries to do different surgical procedures so that to prevent or to treat a person from getting erectile dysfunction. Also, we have seen that you have mental causes, for example anxiety, depression. So we need to prevent yourself from getting anxiety, depression. We have different ways. Cognitive behavior therapy. You can go to the psychologist. Psychiatrists. All these people, they may counsel you about your condition of getting stress, about anxiety, how can you overcome it. All those things, they can lead to erectile dysfunction, so you need to prevent them. The last way of how to prevent is to avoid masturbation, because masturbation, I kept it in the last point, as it can cause also erectile dysfunction. So you need to prevent masturbation. So in the past videos I explained how can you avoid masturbation, so I'll keep the link on my description. So for anyone having additional comment, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.